Hey guys, so did anyone miss me? I hope so. Cause I don't know what the heck you guys were doing without me. I know you guys were lost as fuck. Now I'm back. So pretty good day. Was basically today was the day, okay? I got back. I possibly am on 0 hours of sleep, but that's okay. I'm gonna get this video out and I will get everything out because it was my fault that I didn't sleep. Anyways, so why is it closing my connections? Hold on 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. Um, so so today in the morning, right, we opened at the tapering orange, and I'm gonna show you that in the 30-minute, right? So you can see that we opened at the tapering orange area, right, which is a area we've been in before as well, like if right here as well, like same algo. I just don't know why I don't have it here, possibly because I didn't trade the days, but so you can see the same algo here, orange, and you can see the rejection right here, right? So for us to go up, right, so we have that blue right here, so left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder has to form right here, right? So that's essentially what we were targeting today. If the rejection did happen, which it did in the morning, uh, and then find support at 50-day, right? Left shoulder here, head, and then possibly from that right shoulder tomorrow, and then head up, right? And close the cup at this area, right? So that is the ultimate goal that we're looking for tomorrow. But of course, we can also reject fully, right? So we can left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here off of 5-day, wherever 5 days tomorrow, right? As well as then push down, close this inverse cup, right? Some sort of handle, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, and then take it to the bottom of blue right here. So this is the support algo that you have to pay attention to, the blue, right? Every time we touch blue, we do bounce. So certainly take profits here, right? And then can hold some runners after. But so there's just two plays that you can look out for. But again, you have to be careful of the tapering and make sure we build that liquidity for a good risk to reward, right? Especially as we have teal right here as well. So we need to build good risk to reward for longs, okay? Um, anyways, so also you can see that how we basically were in the, why is it not? Okay, it's not gonna work, okay? But you can see how we were basically in this blue, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder tomorrow off of 20-day to see that bounce up and close the cup right here, right? So that's what we need to see. And then grab the liquidity off of blue here and then push up, right, to yellow. So the yellow is going to be the resistance area, so pay attention to that. Nothing's working on this chart. Okay, whatever. So that, okay, now let me show you intraday. Intraday, right? So you see the orange tapering. So this is what I was literally waiting for today. I knew it was gonna happen PM session. Um, Left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here. Beautiful right shoulder. Literally, I don't know how there's a more perfect right shoulder. Off and rejection of orange, right? That gives you the sign, right? And then straight down, test 20-day, right? You can see how we had the orange algo off of 20-day, rejected 20-day, left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of 20-day, and then that second push down, right? So, and then eventually bouncing from here at 50-day, right? So you can see the bounce from here, right? So yeah, so that's basically what happened today. That is what the target was, the 50-day, right? To build liquidity either to go up or even to go down, right? So, but the clear target was if the 20-day had rejected, the 50-day would be the next level of support that we would test, and you can see that we did bounce up at the end of the day from 50 days. So still, right, we can close this cup. We can still close this cup, right? Form the handle, right? And just left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of here. Close the cup, right? Another, and then bounce off here, right? We test the level right here, right? And head up, right? So that's what we have to look out for. There's many ways to go up before we there's many confirmation that you should wait before we are confirmed bullish, right? And as well as if you're shorting this, we need to see um, the 5 day being some sort of resistance right shoulder, right? If it moves up tomorrow right here, right? Resistance right shoulder and then move down, right? So yeah, pretty easy trade today. I think this was a 5 point move down all the way. 5 point, I believe. Almost a 5 point move down, I believe. Um, so yeah, so this is what today I was waiting for. Was an awesome day back. This was my first day back. As you guys know, I took the break from the 18th essentially. So I've had a long break. I'm also working on an app that is gonna be pretty cool. Um, and I'm working on that, and I have a lot going on. So yeah, I suggest like you guys, if you have free time, don't spend it on unnecessary things. Only spend it on things that will better your life. My app, because realistically, as traders, um, my mentor and we talked about this. This trading is not the end game. Okay, you're supposed to use the trading as a foundation. Trading builds your foundation for your future. In my opinion, yes, trading is very good money. I'm not gonna lie. I make probably more than fucking most people. But like, it's also like if you're a dreamer, if you have big goals, trading should be used as a stepping stone and used to support those dreams, right? So that's what trading is to me. That's how I view trading. Trading is not my like realistically trading. Um, doesn't allow me to make that impact in the world that I want to make, right? So that's really what it is, um, and that's what it is for me, and that's why my ventures, like my app, community involvement, will further help me reach my goals, right? So that's it. I'm sorry for like I should have started today stronger. I'm not gonna lie. But I basically um I should have started today strong. I mean, I green for the day. It's just like I wish I had more discipline in the morning, or especially at the night because yeah. But anyways, it's okay. Um, Nothing ever goes by plan, but it's also like for example, right? If you miss the trade, right? What people tend to do is FOMO, right? Or like have some type of regret. Like even if you missed it from here, there's so many opportunities to take it from the break of 20 day, then even all the all the microstructure that you'll see right here as well, right? So like even though this isn't a large point, this is still around 1 point, right? So although this isn't the best trade, but this is still 1 point. If you're able to get an entry, right? um, uh, so left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, you can see that clear right shoulder, and then the 1 point, right? So that's basically it. That's pretty simple, 1 point. But again, if you want it's always okay because you don't need to catch the whole move. You just need to catch um like either this little bit, right? This little bit, this little bit, right? And then so basically 3 trades you could have caught, right? And that would what makes your day, you know. Either one of these trades could have made your day. It's very important to not be greedy. It's really important to um not have necessarily amount goal, but know when you're fulfilled or know when it's enough, right? So that's my thing. But yeah, happy 2025. I hope you guys made some goals. And also, can you guys share with me how I can improve the videos? Like, I know I could draw the algos, but it's not really like yeah, I can do it. But I just want more feedback from you guys personally, like um, on what I can do to better improve the videos, right? Um, but yeah, this is so simple. This is so easy. It's not rocket science in my opinion. So again, if we're headed up, wait for the left shoulder ahead, right tomorrow, and then the right shoulder here as well. And you want to make sure you're careful of the teal right here, right? So this is gonna be a pretty good resistance as well. So you wanna, if anything, you can wait for the bigger structure. Of course, like close the cup first, and then um, the bounce from here, right, then take it for all the way to close up right here. So that's still a how much point move? That's still a 5 point move, right? So this you just have to pick, and you just it's basically called cherry picking. Okay, you're cherry picking what you want to trade. You're the market is at the will to you, right? You're not at the will to the market, right? So that's how you should think. That's how you should approach it. And again, if you're headed down, left shoulder, beautiful head if we form here, right shoulder right here, off a 5 day, um, then close this inverse cup right here, right? Then some type of microstructure with teal, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, and then the target is blue, of course. So if you're headed down, this is a 7 point move down as well, that you can catch from here. You don't really have to catch it here, right? You can catch it here, and if you do catch it here, then okay. Um, but also, if you're trading in this area, like shorting it right here, you need to be very careful. Um, there's so many support right here. Let the market reveal itself. I suggest, if you are shorting it from this area, um, you wait for some type of right shoulder off of 5 day first to take any short, if that's what the market bias is. Okay, so, and because that gives you the confirmation, and that puts you in power over the market. Anyways, yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.